Hi viewers, today we will learn mean, median, mode and range. As you can see that the table shows the midday temperature in degrees Celsius at two ski resorts over 14-day period. And in these resorts, as you can see that we have values including positive and negative like integer values. We have so how to find out when you have positive and negative values, mean, median and mode. So the basic rule to find mean is sum of the values divided by the number of values. So here we have mean, and we will solve one by one both. Okay, first I will do the work for resort X. Resort X in degrees Celsius. What is the mean? So mean is equal sum of the values means -8, -6, -5, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, +0, +1, +1, +4, +4, +4 divided by number of values. Okay, and if we count the how many number of values are there, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So usually it is given in the statement 14 days, so we have total number of values are 14, so divide by 14. So if we add all these in calculator, here we have -8. We can straight away solve. -8, -6, -5, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, then plus, if we add all this, 4 + 4 8 + 4 12 + 2 14, so straight away you can write 14 and divide by 14, which is equal -1.42. So I will write two significant figure. So it is -1.4. I hope so it is understandable. Now we will see this is mean. Now we will see what is median. So median is basically middle value of the set of data. Okay, and mode is most repeated value in set of data, and as well as range is equal maximum minus minimum value of the data. And here we have median. So we will see first before looking median, we must arrange the data and see we have it is in order like smaller to big or bigger to small. So if we see it here, we have the minimum value which is -8, then bigger than this, so almost it is arranged form. So remember that we have 14, total number of values are 14, so which represent even set of data. If you have even set of data, we choose middle two values. So it means 7th and 8th, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this one -2 -1. And if you count before -2, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after -1 we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means our median is equal the mean of the middle two values. Okay, mean of the middle two values, which are -2 -1 divided by 2, which is equal -3/2, and this is equal to minus 1.5. Next, we will find out what is the mod, and mod is most repeated value of set of data, which is 4 comes 3 times. So I will straight away say mod is equal 4. And lastly, the range is equal the maximum minus minimum. So 4 is the maximum value and the minimum value is minus 8. So this gives me 12. So we find out mean, mode, mean, median, mode, and range. Same way, we will try to figure it out the mean, mode, and median of result Y as well. Okay. Now for result Y in degrees Celsius, what is the mean? So mean is equal to sum of the values divided by the number of values. So we have minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. There are many minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one more. And then we have no need to write 0, plus 1, plus 1. So it gives me divide by 14. So here we have negative 4, negative 3, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, and negative 13. So negative 13 plus 2, which is equal negative 11 over 14. And if we check this one in calculator, it gives us what? Negative 11 divide 14. That gives me the value 0.7. And if I write one significant figure, it is equal to mean is equal negative 0.8. This is one significant figure. So we move on next, and next we have to find what is the median value of the set of data which represent midday temperature in resort Y. So we have median. Again, we have 14 values, 14 days. So we will choose the middle two values and the mean of middle two values, which are negative 1 and negative 1. So we have negative 1 divided by 2, which is equal minus 2 over 2, and it is equal negative 1. And then mod is most repeated value in the set of data, which is, of course, negative 1 comes 6 times. So that is the most repeated value. So we will say that the mod is negative 1. And lastly, range is equal maximum minus minimum. So maximum is 1 minus negative 4, which is equal 5. So we find out all the values of mean, mode, median, and as well as mean, median, mode, and range of result Y. I hope so you understand how to figure it out: mean, median, mode, and range when we have uh, data which includes positive and negative values. But we have two more questions related to these two. Remember that we will compare these values to next. So see, have a look. Next is what? Next we have I asked two more questions related to this. So if I go down here, they say resort X wishes to suggest that the temperature are colder than those of resort Y. Write a sentence it could use to to say this. Okay, so firstly I write the answers of result X so that it will help you. Result X, we find out mean is equal negative 1.4. We found median, that was negative 1.5, mod 4, and lastly range. What was the range? 12. And resort Y, what we found the mean, that was negative 0.8, one significant figure. Median -1, mod -1, and lastly we found the range, which was 5. So these answers will help us to give these answers. So look which average, basically mean, median, mode represent the averages. Okay, so which average help us to give the answer of X, to which suggest that the temperature are colder. So if you check carefully, the result X answers mean is negative 1.4, and here we have mean is negative 0.8. So negative 1.4 is more colder on the basis of mean. What else? As well as median is also smaller value as compared to result Y. So we can say that on averages, on averages, we are colder result, or we have colder results based on what? Based on mean and median. Mean and median values. Same as we can say the answer of result Y on the basis of these averages. So result Y wishes to suggest that its temperature is colder than those of result X. Write a sentence it could use to say this. So if you check the answer of mod is -1, and here we have mod 4. So -1 is more colder, as well as if you check the range, which is more consistent and reliable, spread of data is very less. So those on the basis of mode and range, we can say that result Y is better option. So here you can say that on averages we have colder results based on mode. As you can see that the mode value is -1, and here mode value is 4. So -1 is more colder. So based on mode and range values. As I said, the range value is smaller than the range value of result X. So which help us to say that it is more consistent. The spread of data is very less. And we can say that it is more colder as well. Range values. But you can consider smaller range values. Okay, I hope so you get it, how to write the sentences regarding or on the basis of mean, mode, median, and range. And see you with next video.